Meet Juan Salgado. Juan lives in a farming pueblo near Chichigalpa, Nicaragua. He's been a sugarcane plantation laborer all his life, which turns out isn't too sweet. Juan is paid by how many canes he cuts in one day, so he works tirelessly for up to 12-hour shifts in 90-degree heat, harvesting as much as he can. According to a local researcher, sugarcane harvesting is the health equivalent to running a marathon every shift, and unsurprisingly, this has impacted Juan's health. The sugarcane farmers of Nicaragua are suffering epidemic rates of chronic kidney disease, or CKD. CKD is a progressive loss in renal function with symptoms ranging from nausea to vomiting blood until you die. In the last 10 years, 46% of male deaths in Chichigalpa were caused by CKD, and 70% of living males have symptoms. When the men die, their wives or teenage sons go into the fields, and any younger children become less likely to stay in school. But it's not just the sugarcane workers. CKD is abnormally prevalent among all forms of manual labor in low-lying areas of Central America. While the source of this outbreak has yet to be pinpointed, medical studies have shown a strong link to daily dehydration. Juan and his co-workers need a hands-free hydration system that keeps water cool all day long and doesn't slow them down. That's why we are starting Bolsos de Vida. This proposed LLC, based out of Chichigalpa, will manufacture and distribute water bladder backpacks similar to a CamelBak. The packs will be designed with low-cost materials and produced locally to ensure economical prices. No such product exists in the area, and founders Kate Catlin's surveys on the ground indicate that locals would be willing to purchase this product if it was available. Our projected financials indicate that this social enterprise could be operating in the black by month 9. The problem is complicated, but at least part of the solution is simple. Invest in hydration, invest in hope, invest in Bolsos de Vida.